The shooting percentage of a hockey player is the ratio of scored goals to total shots on goal. So far this season, Laura has scored 2 goals out of 14 shots taken. Assuming Laura scores a goal with every shot from now on, how many goals will she need to have a 40% shooting percentage? In Part A, derive an equation that can be used to solve this problem. The shooting percentage can be represented with the formula shooting percentage equals the number of actual goals divided by the total number of shots taken. Let's explore how this formula works before we get into the actual question. Right now, Laura has scored 2 goals out of 14 shots taken. What is her shooting percentage? There are 2 actual goals, so put 2 in the numerator. There are 14 shots in total, so put 14 in the denominator. Divide to get 0.14 or 14%. In Laura's next game, she takes 5 shots on goal and scores every time. What is her new shooting percentage? Add 5 to the numerator since Laura has an additional 5 goals. Add 5 to the denominator since the total shots have increased by 5. This gives us 7 over 19, which divides to 0.37. The new shooting percentage is 37%. Now we'll derive an equation that can be used to solve this problem. Right now, Laura has 2 goals out of 14 shots taken. The question specifies that every shot on goal from now on will be a success. If Laura takes X shots on goal, her number of goals will be 2 plus X, and the number of shots taken will be 14 plus X. The shooting percentage is 2 plus X over 14 plus X. We want to find out how many shots on goal are required for the shooting percentage to be 0.40. Plug in 0.40 for the shooting percentage. This gives us the equation 0.40 equals 2 plus X over 14 plus X. In Part B, solve the equation algebraically. Rewrite the equation we derived in Part A. We can avoid decimal numbers in our solution by writing 0.40 as 2 over 5. Cross-multiply to get 2 times 14 plus X equals 5 times 2 plus X. Simplify the equation. Simplify further to get 18 equals 3X. Divide both sides by 3 to get X equals 6. Laura will need to take 6 shots on goal and score every time to increase her shooting percentage to 40%. In Part C, check your answer by either 1. Finding the point of intersection of 2 functions, or 2. Finding the x-intercepts of a single function. Rewrite the equation we derived in Part A. First, we'll find the point of intersection by graphing the system of functions y1 equals 0.40 and y2 equals 2 plus x over 14 plus x. Use your graphing calculator to draw the graph. The point of intersection is 6, 0.4. Next, we'll find the x-intercepts. Set the equation equal to 0 to find the x-intercepts. The corresponding function is y equals 2 plus x over 14 plus x minus 0.40. Use your graphing calculator to draw the graph. The x-intercept is 6, 0. The solution is x equals 6. This is the same result we obtained algebraically.